For number 7 on our conversions practice, it looks like we're being asked to convert 1100 feet per second into miles per hour. It's really important that we start with the measurement that's given, 1100 feet per second. And it's also really important to write these numbers vertically so it's easier to cancel off your units. Now we have to decide which unit we're going to cancel off first, and it really doesn't matter. I'm going to choose the seconds, and to change seconds into a different unit, I'm going to put seconds on top here, and I'm going to put minutes on the bottom. You could put hours if you know how many seconds are in an hour, but for this one I'm going to do 60 seconds in 1 minute. And then for every 60 minutes, that's equivalent to 1 hour. Anytime you put equivalent measurements on the top and the bottom, it's just like multiplying by 1, because 60 minutes is equivalent to 1 hour. You can cross off the seconds, cross off the minutes, and now I have the correct unit on the bottom. Now to change feet into miles, I have to check my conversions and see that there are 5,280 feet in 1 mile. Now the nice thing about this is the only units that have not been crossed off are miles on top and hours on the bottom. And if I plug this in my calculator, I get an answer of 750 miles per hour. Now it works out in this case that we had 2 significant figures. Both of those ones are considered significant. You could say this is ambiguous because maybe there are not just 2 but 3 or 4, but generally with those zeros, if there's no decimal place, are considered placeholders. So 2 sig figs, and then our answer has 2. You could also say 7.5 times 10 to the second miles per hour. Either one's acceptable.